Leah is an ordinary middle school student, busy with school and various extracurricular activities. But sometimes she faces small troubles. Leah loves sleeping in, turning her mornings into a battlefield.
Wake up! Don't you have school?
If I could teleport, I wouldn't have to rush.
Leah arrives at school, as the teacher has already started the lesson.
Leah, you're late again.
Maybe learning magic isn't such a bad idea after all.
Leah sits in class and suddenly realizes she forgot her notebook.
Ugh! I forgot my notebook again. If only I could magically summon it.
After school, Leah sits in her room while the pink cat excitedly circles around her.
See? Now you understand how useful magic can be.
But I really don't have time. I have violin practice, ballet lessons.
If you learn magic, your ballet shoes can dance on their own, and your violin can play itself. You can just sit back and eat snacks. Come on, let's get you ready to become a real magician.
Leah follows the pink cat through a hidden alley and arrives at a mysterious magic shop. Before Leah could react, she was already in a strange and wonderful place.
What is this place?
A magic shop. Now pick your gear.
Leah stands in front of a mirror, trying on various dramatic wizard robes.
This one is too long. This one is too bright. And, are these bat wings?
Fashion is important. Are you sure you don't want this sparkly pink robe?
Leah picks up a wand, but it suddenly vibrates and shoots out a burst of fireworks.
Looks like this wand doesn't like you.
Leah reads a magic book and tries casting her first spell.
Alright, let's try summoning my notebook. Abracadabra.
A plate of fried rice appears on the table.
Not bad. Dinner is served.
Despite the failures, Leah continues practicing with determination.
Ouch! My head.
You've got a long way to go.
Even though it was tough and full of funny mishaps, Leah slowly started to grasp the basics of magic. On her way home, Leah walks past a street corner and suddenly hears a loud crack. And then danger struck.
Oh no!
A large tree begins to topple due to loose roots. An elderly woman is walking right underneath, unaware of the danger. Without thinking, Leah raises her wand and shouts, "Teleport!" She had never used this spell in a real situation before, but this time, the tree crashes onto the ground where the woman had just been standing. The old woman suddenly disappears and reappears on a bench nearby, looking around in confusion.
Huh. How did I get here?
Whoa! What's happening? I did it?
So, still think learning magic is a waste of time?
I've decided. I'm going to keep learning. Magic can really help people.
From that day on, Leah's magical journey truly began.
See you next time. Bye bye.